Welcome back. Once you have set up the trigger, you then need to set up the action. And so if you have a record in the test area, what you can do is you can click to continue and you can then set up the action. Now for the sake of this video, what we're going to do is we're going to connect the individual that has answered the membership questions to our email marketing list. And so we're going to set the action at MailChimp. So again, the customer answers a question in school. We want that person then added to our MailChimp list. Now you will need to go through the addition process of getting your MailChimp list added to Zapier, but the event that we want the subscriber to be added or updated. We're then going to click continue. We're going to add our MailChimp account that's already set up in Zapier. We're then going to click continue. What we now need to do is we need to set up the action. So we're going to choose a specific list. Zapier can see inside of our MailChimp account because it's already connected. So we're going to choose a specific list. What we're then going to do is we're going to map the email information. So we place our cursor inside of here. You'll notice that Zapier says this information is required. What we need to do is we need to get the data from our school account that is now connected to our Zapier account. And since we've had the individual answer the membership questions, we should now have the email address in order to map. So we'll place our cursor here. You'll notice that we do have, from the answered question, an email address. Now you'll notice that the rest of this information is going to be optional. For example, for the sake of MailChimp, we can choose double opt-in or single opt-in. What we're now going to do is skip down to the bottom. Now this is still going to be optional information, but since we've collected the first name, we're then going to map that field. Since we've collected the last name, we're going to map that field also. And we're then going to click continue. We then have a test action. So what we can now do is we can test to see if Zapier will complete the step to send the information over to our MailChimp account. And the sending is successful. So if we publish this Zap, what we've done is we've set in motion that when an individual answers membership questions, they will then be added to our MailChimp list. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.